How to fix ChatGPT not working, not opening, or login error. So if you're facing a problem with ChatGPT and if it's not working or if it's slow, then what you need to do is, if you're using it on your browser, then first open up your browser and go with chatgpt.com and make sure that you're logged in. And once you're under the ChatGPT, if it's not working, then what you need to do is check your internet connection. And after that, you need to reload your page or refresh your page. Once you've done that, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't work for the first time, then you can simply try it for a few times, like 2 to 3 times, and it might fix your problem. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply try switching your browser. So if you're using your Chrome browser, you can just go and switch to another browser. If you have other browsers, like if you're using your laptop or your PC, then you can switch to your other browsers and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is wait for a minute. So wait for 1 or 2 minutes and just remove the ChatGPT and then again open up your ChatGPT. Or if you have your application, you can go with the ChatGPT application and you can try it on your application and it might work. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to your ChatGPT application, go with the app info and go with storage and cache. You can go with clear cache and also clear storage. Once you've done that, you need to open up your browser or just tap and hold on to your browser. Go with the app info on your browser also. Tap on storage and cache and go with clear cache. And after that, your problem will be fixed. So restart your device and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix ChatGPT not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.